Hi students, I am Praveen Tyagi and in this video we will be discussing 5 questions of a topic called maximum minima in 5 minutes. Now guys, this is very important that all students we are saving time. So that is why I have designed these super fast videos that can let you revise the concept and can also save your time. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So the first question is find the maximum value of this. So guys, there is a shortcut funda for a quadratic equation. The maximum and minimum value occurs at c minus b square upon 4a. Now the equation is ax square plus bx plus c, the standard equation. So if you compare it with the standard equation, you know the value of a, b and c. If you put the value of a, b, c here, this will be 7 minus b is 5. B is minus 5 square is 25 upon 4 into minus 2. So this is basically 7 plus 25 by 8. So this becomes 56 plus 25. This is 81 by 8. So that's all guys. कितने आराम से हमने देखो इसको निकाल लिया है. Now question number 2. The sum of three number is 10. Find the maximum value of the product like this. So guys, there is a rule that if sum is given, product is maximum when all our values are equal. So as per this rule, let me add 1 on both the sides. 1 in B and 1 in C on both the sides. So why I am doing so? Because it is B plus 1 and C plus 1 in the question as well. So now as you can see that the sum of three numbers A, B plus 1 and C plus 1 is given to be how much? 12. So if sum of three number is 12, the product will be maximum when all are equal. So each of them has to be 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4. That is how much? 12. So your answer is 12 and this the value is 12. So your answer will be 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. So guys, the rule, just remember the rule. If sum is given, product is maximum when all values are equal. Also this is based on the funda of AM greater than equal to GM. But this one, the one I am telling you, is easier to use and learn. So kindly use it like this. Then guys, you have to find the minimum value of this. Now here there is a rule, sum of any number plus its reciprocal, the minimum value is 2. So it means that x ki power 12, I can write it as x ki power 4 into x ki power 8. This will be the value of x ki power 12. Now if you separate it in both of them, you will get x ki power 4 plus 1 upon x ki power 4 and x ki power 8 plus 1 upon x ki power 8. So as I told you, sum of a number and its reciprocal, the minimum value is 2, the minimum value is 2. So minimum value of the expression becomes 2 to the 4. So guys, finally we are able to solve 3 questions. Now we are going to the next page. Now we have to find the minimum value of this. Now यहाँ तो आप बोलेंगे कुछ भी नहीं दिया हुआ कैसे निकालना है. But guys, इसको ध्यान से देखिए. The rule is that if product is given, sum is minimum and all are equal. So product of these numbers will be 1. Everything will be cancelled. We will be left with 1 only. So product of 4 number is 1. So their sum in minimum and all are equal. So each of them has to be 1. So minimum value of sum will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So your answer is 4. Right guys? So that is what you have to do. If product is given, sum is minimum when all are equal. That is the rule I am using here. Now find the minimum value of this number. Now here guys, we can use the rule of reciprocal wala. If you separate all the terms, you will get terms like x upon y, and somewhere you will get a term like y upon x. So sum of a number plus its reciprocal, the minimum value is 2, given that the numbers are positive. That is also required condition to be given to you. The number should be positive. So guys, this is one way of doing it. This is what you can do by separating them, but there is a shortcut. In all such questions, if you just put the value of x, y, z as 1, then you will get 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 plus 2 upon 1. Answer is 6. So that's all guys. देखो कितने जल्दी हमने इनको solve किया. Now, if you want to study with me, I am Praveen Tyagi. I teach live on Unacademy. अगर आप Unacademy Plus ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. मेरा कोड है मैथ मैजिक. So guys, my code is math magic. Spelling गलत लिख दिया. Math magic. Okay, so my code is MathMagic. Use this code and join plus. If you like this video and you want to like more such videos, you have to have more such videos, like this video, subscribe this and also share this. So guys, that's it for this video. अगली वीडियो में जल्दी मिलेंगे एक नए टॉपिक के साथ. Thank you. Bye bye.